Hi guys, so for today's video I'm going to be making a random beat using my presets which I'm still working on, though once I'm done with it I'll release it for you guys so that you all can enjoy it. For the time being, just follow along, and before I begin, ensure you subscribe. I'm going to add chords. I'm adding effects to glue the melody together. I'm just tweaking a few things for the purpose of mixing. So right now I'm quickly arranging the beat, and before I show you guys the final product, please make sure you subscribe if you want to get my latest preset pack. And also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you.